Hello viewers, want to sign a PDF without using any complex software? In this video I will show you how to insert your electronic signature in a PDF file using just ChatGPT for free. First open ChatGPT in your browser. Upload your signature image and PDF file where you want to insert signature. Now type a simple prompt in your own language. For example, insert this signature in the PDF with my name and today's date. Then hit enter. ChatGPT will handle everything. Within seconds it will give you a download link for your signed PDF. Just click the link to download your file, open it. You will see your signature, your name and today's date added. If you want the signature at a specific location, just mention it in your prompt. ChatGPT will do that. That is it. You don't need any software, just ChatGPT. Like, share and subscribe for more smart tech tips. Thanks for watching.